The pen is mightier than sword. And this sentence we have been grown up with, and we know its power. When we talk about power, we are talking about something which is very close to the pen. And that's about writing, and that's about reporting, and that is what is the topic of today, journalism. Welcome to Career Growth. Journalism is one of the most important aspects in the field of media. Loads of people get fascinated by journalism. They would like to report something. Isn't it interesting to watch the news, the updates which come on a mobile, on our computer screens? Of course, not to forget the newspapers too. So, if you are a person who likes to write, who likes to analyze, and also report it to the masses, journalism can just be the field. So is journalism only about writing? Well, to write well, you need to be a reader first. So many students come to me and tell me, I would like to write. I love writing. I've written in my school magazines. It is just one part of it. The biggest part is you need to be a very good reader. And that also not only of one subject. You need to read a lot of different subjects. Journalism is a very interesting field. There are people who are journalists in the field of sports, somebody in fashion, in photography, in education, in politics, something related to spirituality, something related to sciences, technology, gadgets. So you see, there are n number of work areas in the field of journalism itself. So if one wants to become a journalist, how does one go about it? It can start right from the undergraduate level. You could be taking up a mass communication or a journalism course right after class 12, or you could be taking any of the languages, because journalism is not only about a language that is in English. You could be doing your undergrads in any of the Indian languages or foreign languages too, if you want to get into that part of journalism. For example, if you are keen in Hindi, you could take a BA in Hindi and then pursue your post-graduation in journalism. And let me tell you, journalism, it's all about knowing how to write, what to write, and when to write too. So, first completing an undergrad course, and of course taking it to the next level by pursuing a post-graduation course, maybe a master's or a postgraduate diploma in journalism, in mass comm, or in media. One more aspect comes into picture. In the sense, you could be a medical doctor and write about different aspects of science, medical sciences. You could be a CA or a financial analyst and talk about the financial aspect. You could be a fashion designer and write about fashion journalism. So you see, it's generic as well as specific. You could do a proper training which relates to the media field, or you could be in any profession and writing would be your skill set. You could get into journalism. With the educational qualification, there are certain personality traits too. Basically, be very open to criticism. You need to be very patient. Analytical skills play a big role out here. And also, you need to be ready to work 24/7. Need to report on various aspects. With these personality traits, you also need to be open enough to write about different things, be it education, be it politics, sports, or it could be entertainment. So after acquiring the degree, as well as knowing your personality traits, where do you work? Obviously, it is going to be publication houses. The media industry is quite big. You could be a content writer. You could be working in an IT firm too, developing the website content. You could be in an educational institute. You could be also writing for the digital space. So you see, if you have the power of words in you and ready to explore a career, journalism can just be the field for you. Keep watching, keep subscribing, Career Growth.